Hey guys, here's our top 5 super easy, super quick look for festival goers. We're with Leighanne Regan, the owner of Remi Salon in Leicester, showing us all the best festival hair hacks. So first up is boho waves with a side braid. Firstly, section your hair. Take your Hair Rehab London Ultimate Clip-in extensions and clip them into place. Our super long 24-inch Ultimates are 280 grams, super thick and perfect for creating massive hair. Section the top layer of your hair into a side parting and use a smaller, seamless pieces to add layers and frame around your face. Take the section with less hair and start your Dutch braid. Make sure you tie with a clear elastic band and gently tug the plait so that it creates a slightly messy braid. Next, take small to medium sections of both your hair and your Hair Rehab London extensions and curl them together using hair tongs to create a natural wave. And here is a handy tip for you. You can pre-curl both your hair and the extensions to save time. Then add in the boho hair rings. Finally, add a spritz of Mark Hill's 10-in-1 Wonder Spray. This product will protect your extensions from heat damage, add volume and keep everything in place. If you would like a personal colour match from one of our team, please get in touch via www.hairrehablondon.com.